Let me show you how to add chapters on your YouTube videos so you can make it easier for your viewers to navigate your content, plus some tips on how to use timestamps to increase your watch time and help your videos rank on Google. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Sarah Nguyen, here to help you grow your business with video and social media design. Subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Let's get straight into the demo. To add chapters, after you have uploaded your video, you want to go into the details section and specifically into the description section. So anywhere in the description, this is where we're going to add the timestamps. And the first entry that you need to have is 00:00. And this is necessary in order for timestamps to appear. And then simply add either intro or start. And then this tells YouTube that this is where your timestamps are. So then go ahead and add the timestamps. You will need to have at least 3 timestamps in the video, and you need to order them from the earliest to the latest timestamp in the correct order, otherwise they're not going to appear. And the timestamps also need to be at least 10 seconds, otherwise they're not going to actually work. You want to avoid generic chapter titles like tip 1 or tip 2 because these titles don't really tell a viewer or YouTube for that matter what your content is about. Really try to summarize what's happening in that chapter so it makes sense to anyone who is reading the title if they haven't watched your entire video yet. And once you've added all of the timestamps, you simply go ahead and save the video, and then you'll be able to see on your channel that they will appear in the chapter section just when people click on this section underneath the video itself. I copy the timestamps into a pinned post so that people, in case they don't click on the description and see them, they can see them here as well. So this just helps get more clicks to the actual content. And now let's have a look at the magic of adding timestamps to your actual videos. So within Google search for Canva tutorial, here's one of my YouTube videos and it's ranked in search. Plus you can see here, what are these? These are the timestamps, woo! And so people who are searching for this keyword, they may stumble across my video, scroll across and have a look at the chapters and go directly from YouTube search. So say they just want to add text and it will take them to that section of the video itself. And that's pretty cool. And it will show them the rest of them, rest of the timestamps here. So you really, really want to make use of chapters and timestamps in your video where possible. Now you can enable automatic video chapters, but YouTube have said that not all videos are eligible for automatic chapters. So I'm not going to cover that in this tutorial. I'm going to cover that in another video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please hit the like button for me and let me know in the comment section below what other YouTube training you'd like to learn about. I love making these videos for you. In the meantime, why don't you check out the YouTube training playlist for more tutorials? Or if you're struggling to come up with what to say in your own YouTube videos, you'll definitely want my 5 swipeable YouTube scripts. They'll help you come up with the content for your video that grabs your viewers' attention and increases your YouTube watch time. You can check them out by clicking on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.